Welcome to your Virginia housing market update for September 2025. Are you ready for the latest trends, the hard-hitting facts, and what you need to know about real estate in Virginia? Stay tuned as we break it down for you with insights from sources like the National Association of Realtors, Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. Let's dive in. Welcome to your Virginia housing market update for September 2025. Are you ready for the latest trends, the hard-hitting facts, and what you need to know about real estate in Virginia? Stay tuned as we break it down for you with insights from sources like the National Association of Realtors, Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. Let's dive in. Before we dive into Virginia specifically, let's take a quick look at the national landscape. In September 2025, the average home price across the US stood at $390,000, a slight dip compared to last year, down by about 2%. The total number of homes sold in September 2025 saw a decrease, with just over 350,000 properties exchanging hands, a drop from the 380,000 homes sold during the same time last year. But what does this mean for Virginia? Well, let's zoom in. The housing market in Virginia has been resilient. The state has seen a slight cooling in the pace of sales, with approximately 11,500 homes sold in September 2025, down by 5% compared to last year. But here's the kicker. While fewer homes are moving, prices are still holding steady, and demand remains strong in key cities like Arlington, Richmond, and Norfolk. In September, the median home price in Virginia hit $400,000. Now, this figure represents a modest 3% increase year over year. However, this price varies depending on the area. In Arlington, the median price has soared to $650,000, while in rural areas like Martinsville, the median price is around $225,000. One of the major factors influencing this market, as it always does, is interest rates. As of September 2025, the average 30-year mortgage rate sits at 7.5%. While this is higher than last year's rate of around 6.5%, it's still not enough to completely slow down the market. Many buyers, especially first-timers, are adjusting their expectations, often choosing to purchase homes with slightly higher rates. Let's talk new homes. Across Virginia, 2,000 new homes were sold in September 2025, a 2% increase from last year. Builders are responding to the demand by pushing out new developments, particularly in suburban areas like Loudoun County and Hampton Roads, where there's been a surge in new home buyers looking for modern, energy-efficient properties. As we head into the final quarter of 2025, the outlook remains optimistic. Experts predict that while the market may not see a massive rebound in terms of sales volume, prices are likely to hold steady, with the overall market shifting toward a more balanced environment. For buyers, it means less competition for homes, but higher interest rates could mean that affordability remains an issue. Want to stay ahead of the game? Subscribe to our updates and be the first to know the latest trends in Virginia's housing market. Whether you're buying, selling, or simply keeping an eye on the market, knowledge is your greatest asset. That's all for today's update on the Virginia housing market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.